Odisha, on the east coast of India, is a gateway to the ASEAN region. With a robust industrial infrastructure ecosystem and a new investor-friendly industrial policy, Odisha is all set to be the investment destination of choice. The upcoming National Investment and Manufacturing Zone, or NIMZ, in the core industrial belt of Kalinganagar in Odisha is all set to usher in an all-round socio-economic development. The NIMZ is a self-contained ecosystem built around the 9 existing steel plants producing 10 million tons of steel.
The Tata Group of companies, especially Tata Steel, have been long-term partners in Odisha's progress. Our relationship with the state of Odisha has recently strengthened, with Tata Steel setting up a greenfield steel project in Jajpur district. The state's industrial policy resolution of 2015 is forward-looking and has several innovative features that are aimed at attracting investment and facilitating the ease of doing business.
The state of Odisha has been the predominant mineral hub of the country, with abundant deposits of chromite, bauxite, iron ore, coal, manganese and graphite. Easy access to such vast deposits of minerals creates a unique opportunity for investments at Kalinganagar NIMZ. The zone is strategically located close to deep sea ports at Paradip and Dhamra, providing easy access to the ASEAN markets. Through seamless connectivity by road, rail, airport and seaport, the zone is strategically located for prospective investors. The NIMZ offers unique opportunities for auto ancillaries, components manufacturing, equipment and process manufacturing, heavy fabrication and downstream steel industries. It also offers proximity to raw materials, strong forward and backward linkages, abundant availability of water and competitive cost of land, thereby reducing the overall cost of operations. The Odisha industrial policy comprises of several incentives, including employment-based incentives covering reimbursement of cost of power, training subsidy, subsidized rate of land for workers' hostel, land and infrastructure development support incentives covering support for setting up power substation, earmarked land for setting up ancillary and downstream parks and capital support for setting up a effluent treatment plant. Fiscal incentives including reimbursement of value-added tax, entry tax, employment cost subsidy and interest subsidy. The Government of Odisha is recognized for implementation of various technological interventions including integration of services with eBiz, an online portal for synchronized and hassle-free inspections, GIS-based portal to assist in location selection, and an online portal for quick resolution of change requests. In addition, a number of other investor-friendly reforms have been implemented by the state to facilitate the investors. Odisha is committed to becoming an investment destination of choice and creating opportunities for business growth.
Odisha welcomes investors and entrepreneurs from across the globe and dreams to grow along with them.
Think investment. Think Odisha.